Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful gaggtia Velasca Prestige espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, which means we remove the top cover of the machine, clean the grinder, serve as a brew unit, as well as do a cleaning cycle and a descaling cycle of the machine. And yeah, that's what we did. We also clean the spouse as well and just give it a good cleaning all over as well. So starting with one beautiful shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. Then we're going to be using the hot water. We will not be able to use any cappuccino, milk froth, or any special drinks like that because we do not have the carafe of the machine. But we're still going to be able to test this side as we're going to be using it for hot water. Right now this is going to be the first shot that the machine is doing. So it's going to do a little bit of pre-infusion. And as you can see, now it's doing the extraction. We're using our test coffee. Our coffee is pretty old, but even though our test coffee is pretty old, we're still getting a nice cup of coffee. Good cream on the top as well. Good flow, working great. As you can see, the water tank sensor definitely works too. We have the water tank asking us for water. I'm gonna fill this and be right back. Okay, now we have water in the tank. Now we can test the hot water, and as you can see, we also have a nice steady stream coming out from the wine itself. Excellent temperature, working amazing. So there you have it, gaggtia Velasca working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.